Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to make a Sinamak. This is an Ilonggo version of spiced vinegar. So this is a good condiment for grilled fish, grilled chicken, grilled pork, or any deep fried food. This knife is very sharp, so we're just gonna use this to skin the onion. So here are the ingredients. So I have the sliced garlic, sliced ginger, the onions, and Santaka pepper, which I harvested a few weeks ago before the frosts, and my white vinegar. So this is the sterilized glass bottle. We're going to add all the ingredients in this bottle. So as you can see, I have the pepper on the bottom, and then I added garlic, onion, and ginger. Then I add another layer of Santaka pepper, and now I can add my white vinegar on it. So now we have our spiced vinegar or Sinamak.